to Rebelo's Kitchen. Well friends, thank you so much for liking my videos, subscribing to my videos and sharing it to your friends. I hope you will do even more, because that would just create an awareness within your friends, families, so that I can bring out to you amazing recipes straight from my heart to your table when you cook it. Today I've got a really simple recipe, a Mediterranean style recipe that is healthy and it's full of freshness. When I say full of freshness, it's got some fresh herbs, some fresh produce and fish. That is a really good sauce for us. So let me take you straight to the ingredients. Okay friends, for the ingredients for today's dish, we have sea bass fillets. I've got over here some olives and capers. I've got some nice vine tomatoes, seeded off. Just the seeds have come off. I took the seeds away, just chopped off really fine. 2 large red onions, chopped off really fine. If you've got shallots, I'll tell you, if you add shallots, it'll be even much more flavorful. I've got some herbs over here. I've got some basil, I've got some thyme, I've got some fresh parsley, about a teaspoon of tomato puree, half a lime, one garlic clove, thinly sliced, salt, pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. And just in case, we would need about 60 ml water as well, just chilled water. So let me take you to the next stage. So first thing we'll do is season the fish. So I've got the fillets over here. So what we add is the salt, pepper, just mix it up and then just sprinkle over, not a lot, just a pinch. That's it. Make sure you nicely dab it on it. Turn it over, back again, salt, pepper. Okay, next thing, we'll keep a pan, light the gas, and what we do next is add nice bit generous amount of olive oil. So what I do is nice generous amount of olive oil. So that's about 2, now it's 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, in that olive oil, what I'm going to do is quickly sear the fish into the same pan. So make sure your pan is nice and hot. Fish skin side down. Brilliant. So after adding the fish to it, what we're going to do is we're going to sear on one side and just be gentle on the skin side. And we take it out and put it in a fresh pan. Make sure you don't put it on the other side. So be gentle. Okay, and in the same pan, then we add our garlic. The garlic to it. Then we add our onions. There we off. Saute for about 30 seconds, so you just kill the rawness of the onion. And then what we do is add the tomatoes straight in. Remember, this dish is not going to take you over 15-20 minutes. This will be under 15-20 minutes from the stage of searing till the dish is cooked, because you don't want to be killing the goodness by overcooking. So next we do is add the tomato puree to that. Stir it off. Okay. So about after 30 seconds, what I'll do is I'll add another little bit more of olive oil. I love olive oil. So if you think I'm adding too much olive oil, you can always, use whatever you feel that is right. But what I've done over here is I've added literally 3.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Now that it's done, so I'm going to add the 60 ml of water that I had left. So just pour it in. Keep it on a high heat while you're still doing this off. On a high heat. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to add the fish, the flesh side down and the skin side on top. So do it that way. Put it on that way. Now add the olives and capers. Just a little bit of seasoning to it. Salt, pepper. Now fresh lime. Make sure you don't get these. Now there's no seeds in it, so it's good. Squeeze that fresh lime on top of it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is throw the parsley in on the side. I'm going to use a quick cooking method now. It's got that little bit of moisture in it. So I'm going to place the lid. I'll place the lid on it. That would take, on a medium heat, about 1.5 minutes, and your fish should be ready. And I'll show you what happens next. And now exactly after 1.5 minutes to 2, there you go. Your fish is ready. So we haven't played up much with the fish. What I'm going to do is plate it up straight away. So it is plate it up straight away. I'm going to add that. Just throw the basil in. What I'm doing is I'm not overcooking anything. This is just straight, simple. So fish is nicely cooked, so we'll plate it up. It's on the plate. That's it. Nice bit of olive oil. And that's your sea bass, Mediterranean style sea bass served. healthy sea bass cooked in less than 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes from the time of prep till cooking. So I'm sure it's a time-saving recipe and I'm sure you will enjoy it. You can eat it with some steamed potatoes or even some rice. Steamed rice would go well, but you know, as long as you eat healthy and you don't overcook it and kill its nutrients and the goodness of the freshness, so you know, you'll enjoy it. So here's my dish for you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you will like my video. I hope you will share it with your friends, and till I see you next time, goodbye from the Rebelos.